Set up the apparatus as shown. Make sure the weight can swing through the light gate when it is at the lowest position. Pull the weight to one side. Measure its height h above the lowest position. Run the data logging program and release the weight. Record the time taken, t, for the weight to pass through the light gate. Measure the diameter d and the mass m of the weight. The speed v of the weight when it passes through the lowest position is then equal to d over t. Calculate the kinetic energy of the weight when it is at the lowest position. Then calculate the loss in potential energy when the weight moves from the highest to the lowest position. Is the kinetic energy that the weight gains equal to the potential energy that it loses?